Welcome to Kavieng. OMG. Ah, reef. This is so nice. I'm gonna run around everywhere. Oh my gosh. Look down there. Look at that little coral thing. Where are the fish and the starfish? It's so nice here. Windy. Look out there, the blue. And here I am. Mommy's all the way down there. See that? Somewhere around there. And who cares about them right now? They're having their adult time. And I'm having kid time. Wow. There's a ship there. Oh, the market's just down over there. See that roof thingy there? Yeah. Okay, goodbye. That's enough for one day.